Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I am here for the unveiling of the Mystery Box Monday. Mystery Box Monday. We're going to show you what all was in the Smell Good box. Remember, this is a pre-recorded video that I recorded on Monday when I packed the box before I went live. So the people who purchased the boxes should have their stuff by now. But the way Mystery Box Monday works is I pack everything up, and then I go live on Monday. You have no clue what's in the box. You get to buy the box. Then it ships out on Tuesday, or you pick it up Monday night or Tuesday if you are local. Then I show this video on Friday so that you can see what all's in the box, just in case you missed out, or you were wondering what was in the box, or you were going to buy the box but you weren't quite sure, you didn't know if it was worth it or what. So I always show you what's in the box, so then that way you can come back Monday at 8 o'clock, because we do it every Monday at 8 o'clock, and get the next box. And remember, every box has a different theme, a different size, a different cost, a different content, a different title. Everything's different every single Monday. So our first Monday was Total Makeover box. And then today, or Monday that just passed, was the Smell Good box. So I'm going to show you everything that was in here. And I'm also going to give you the clues that I gave to everyone that was on the live so that they could guess what was in the box. So this is the size of the box. I have the end open. So this box, guys, this box is heavy as I don't know what. Last week's box was only 5 pounds. This box is probably 12 or 13 pounds. But this is the box. It fits in a medium flat rate priority mailbox. It is very heavy. Okay, so let me start showing you guys what's in here. It is the Smell Good box. And let me give you a couple clues. There are 17 items in here. If you purchase everything in this box from the store, like Dollar General or Walmart, you would pay $62. But the people who bought this box paid $25. So they got a steal, okay? So let's start with the first couple things that fall out the box. Here is some Oil Valet body wash. It is, what scent is this? It's the Ultra Hydrant. I don't know, I can't see. And I have glasses on, I can't see. But it has shea butter in it. And it smells delicious. Then we have some Pantene shampoo. Okay, it is the 2-in-1 sleek. Everything in here has a nice fragrance to it. This is the Smell Good box. So if you purchase this box, as soon as you open the box, all those smells just hit you. Like, I really want to sneeze right now. Okay, here's another thing of Pantene. So you get 2 things of Pantene and the Oil Valet. Here is a Jergens lotion, shea butter lotion. So one of the clues, I did say that shea butter was one of the scents. So you have these 2 things that have shea butter in it. And then I also gave a clue that like 3 of the things you could massage into your body. So the lotion you can massage into your body, the body wash, and the shampoo you can massage into your body. Here's a Febreze fabric spray. This is like a purse size, so you can put this in your purse. So I did say there was a Febreze item in here, and that is Gain Scent. Here is a 3-wick jar candle. Oh no, it's only 1 wick, but it's pretty big. It is a jar candle. It is creamy vanilla swirl. Guys, I lit this up. When I got these, I kept a couple for myself, and this had my whole downstairs lit. This smells really, really good. So if you're a vanilla fan, here you go. And one of the clues was that there's something in here, vanilla. Yummy. Someone, when I was asking everyone to guess what was in the box, someone said, I know you have some Dove in there because everyone loves Dove. Well, you're right. There's your Dove. And someone else guessed candles. Someone else guessed spray, air freshener spray. And then someone else guessed lotions as well as body wash. But I don't think anyone guessed shampoos. But this is the cucumber and green tea Dove body wash. This is the big one. This is a 22 ounce. And one of the clues is that I said there was cucumber and green tea. And then here's some more shampoo, Head and Shoulders classic shampoo. Here's some more shampoo, strawberry scent. I did give one of the clues as saying that something in there was strawberry. Here's some Dawn. It is the antibacterial hand soap, apple blossom scent. So one of the clues I said you could use this for your kitchen. You have a clue that something could be used for the kitchen. So that's that. Lysol. Everyone knows how good Lysol smells, right? A nice clean house with Lysol. And this is lemon scent. So one of the clues that I gave was that you could use 4 of these things for your entire house. So the 4 things was the Lysol, the candle, the fabric spray, and then so when they got their packet, they have this, which you can use for your entire house. It's the Air Wick that you put the essential oils in, and it requires 3 batteries. And the batteries are in here, 3 AA batteries. So one of the clues was that is something in your house that requires, something in your box that requires 3 AA batteries. And I said that you use it a lot, so you probably run through your batteries. So what I did is I put 3 extra batteries in here because I use this a lot. I know I go through the batteries a lot, so I didn't want you to get caught without the batteries. And this is lavender and almond blossom scent. And one of the clues was that there was something lavender. And then because I didn't have any more room in the box, I did stuff a bar of Dove soap in there. And this soap is the cucumber, melon, and green tea scent to the same as the body wash. Okay. So that's everything that was in this box. Pretty nice box, right? Everything. So guys, that is the Smell Good box. If you got the box, I hope you're happy with it. I'm pretty sure you are. I do know the people who purchased it, and I know they're pretty pleased because they've purchased things from me in the past and they've always been happy. So I'm pretty sure they're going to be pleased. And if you didn't have the opportunity to buy the box, no worries. We will have more boxes, but now at least you know the kinds of things that I put in the box and the kind of value, what type of value you're getting when you're buying these mystery boxes. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. If you want to see the next box, tune in on Monday at 8 p.m. I will be live on Facebook as well as YouTube. And just to give you a clue, our mystery box Monday will be a red and pink theme. So that means everything in the box is either red or pink or both. So it'll be a shade of red, a shade of pink, or both. So that is the only clue that I'm going to give you. So tune in on Monday, and until the next time, keep on saving.